Hi, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. For the people that are new to my channel, hi, I'm Tasha, and let's get into the video. As you saw by the title, today we're gonna do a sleek braided ponytail on natural hair. So I blow dried my cousin's hair about a week ago, and it's still pretty straight. So I'm firstly going to start off by sectioning out the piece of hair that I will be using for the swoop. Guys, I know I totally look like a hot mess, but I flew in. I really wasn't feeling well. I'm only now starting to get better. Next, I'm going to add some ultra moisturizing lotion to her hair. Thereafter, I will brush it and tie it up into a ponytail. Next, I will split a ponytail in two and create two braids and then tie it up. Next, I will add the braided ponytail to her hair. I will tie it down with two bobby pins, and thereafter I will wrap the piece of hair around the ponytail to just give it a nice finish. I will now brush down the swoop, and then I will make a little braid at the end of it so that it can just lay nicely. I did her edges off camera. I used a video molding gel. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. And here is the final look. I absolutely love the way it turned out. See you in the next one.